A little hidden gem.
Over the next 6 months, this channel is going to be about making this house worth as much as possible so that we can sell it and move out to the country. We've purchased property outside of, about an hour outside the city of Portland, around the town of Mosier. Really taking advantage of what that acreage and what we have there will afford us. And the opportunities that we have there will allow us to show our kids a different way of living, a different way of growing up, give them some life skills they aren't going to get in town. Next summer is our move date, and we're going to start that project out there. We're going to be working here from now until then to get all these little projects tied up. The ADU, remodeling our house, the landscaping that you've seen. You can go and look through these videos and see what we're doing. We're doing what we can to get the most out of this property so that we can put it into the next property. I'm excited about this part of the process, and I'm really excited to show you moving forward what we do over in Mosier. And you know, if it's something that interests you, I think that getting away from the city is something that everybody wants to do, or a lot of people want to do. It's a hard thing to achieve, but we are fortunate enough to be at a place in our lives where we're going to be able to do that. And all this land, and the opportunity that comes with it, it's huge.